Welcome to MicroDried's recipe collection. Today we are making a triple berry baked brie appetizer using a blend of MicroDried strawberry, raspberry, and blueberry fragments. This recipe is so easy to put together, but the results are sure to wow. As always, don't worry about taking notes. We will provide the full recipe at the end of the video. MicroDried triple berry fragments are 100% whole fruit, free-flowing, shelf-stable, and ready to eat. But for this recipe, we will be heating the berries with some simple ingredients to make a filling. MicroDried triple berry fragments give you outstanding color and flavor and real piece identity in your finished product. That is because the cell structure stays intact through our drying process, and the result is a low water activity filling with real fruit piece identity. All MicroDried products are low moisture with low water activity, which can help extend shelf life. You can prepare this appetizer in advance and refrigerate until ready to bake, and not have to worry about the filling getting watery and making the puff pastry dough soggy. Scan the QR code at the end of the video to get access to all of our recipes. For product samples, contact sales@microdried.com. Thanks for watching, and we hope you'll try this recipe.